Alright, this is the first vlog basically, but subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you whenever we get to my buddy's house. We'll go from there. Alright, so we're at my buddy's house. We're about to meet Dylan. What's up, man? Look, I got the GoPro.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, it's recording and shit.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man? This is Dylan.
What's going on?
That's my bro.
What's up?
Yo, going to the overlook now.
The buzzing of the power lines above us. It looks gorgeous. This is where we're trying to go.
Oh, see, look, there's the textile.
Yeah, that's the textile mill.
We just have to hike.
I'm trying to get there. So we need to go over there.
We need to figure out how to get to
Yeah.
You probably have to go like away from the car.
Yeah. Huh?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's people.
This is the trail we went to. So this is Blue Hole Trail. What do you think so far, man?
See more places like this all the time would be ideal.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna try to hit more places like this all the time. There's a boat. This is where it's at, right here. Oh. This is beautiful. You want to go check out the waterfall over here? Pro status. awesome photo shoot.
This is a pretty badass waterfall right here.
Yeah, it is. There's more stuff over that way. Oh, man. Oh my God. I'm starting to see more of the falls on the river. I like the aliens, man.
Thanks,
The aliens are great.
Holy shit.
Slide down it.
Oh shit! Okay, man. I didn't do as good as that. And
I'll just stay here. Oh my God.
Maybe I should have brought towels for the car.
catch you in a little bit to show how massive it is compared to my buddy down there.
You look so small.
I know. This waterfall is absolutely massive. I'll catch up to you in a minute when we get down. So what do you think? Part two? Go to the biggest part of it?
Stay tuned, guys, for part two.
Oh yeah. We're definitely coming back to record the rest of it. But yeah, finish out the outro when we get in our vehicle.
Yep.
We're back and we're done with this waterfall. That was only part one because we have to go back because we missed an area. Just subscribe to the channel. We'll definitely be going back to this one and I'll have a little bit more information on it. Yeah, thanks guys. This is my first vlog, so keep it coming. If you have any suggestions on how to improve the channel, I'm definitely open to hearing it. But anyway, thanks guys. You know, probably not gonna have any subscribers by the time I get this uploaded. But if you subscribe, thank you. And until next time, you know, on the other adventures that await.
Catch catch you on the flip side.
Jesus Christ. Okay, peace out, guys.